In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format the form title and header in Smartsheet so your forms look more professional, clear, and easy for users to understand. This is especially useful if you're collecting data from clients, teams, or external users, and you want your form to match your branding or clearly explain what information is required. We'll walk through this step by step directly inside Smartsheet, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to customize your form title and description the right way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, go to Smartsheet and open the sheet where your form is connected. This is the sheet that will receive the form responses. Once your sheet is open, look at the top menu and click on Forms. This will show you any existing forms connected to the sheet and also give you the option to create a new one. Next, click on Create Form. This opens the Smartsheet Form Builder, where you can customize how your form looks and functions. At the top of the form editor, you'll see the form title. Go ahead and click directly on the title text. When you click it, Smartsheet allows you to edit the title so you can rename it to something clear and descriptive. This title is what users will see first when they open your form, so make sure it clearly explains the purpose of the form. For example, you might name it something like Project Request Form or Customer Feedback Form. Once you've updated the title, move just below it to the description area. Click on the description text to edit it. This section acts as the header or introduction for your form. Here, you can add instructions, explain what the form is for, or let users know how long it will take to complete. You can also use the space to mention required fields or provide any important context. Take a moment to write a clear and helpful description, because this can significantly improve the quality of responses you receive. As you make changes, Smartsheet automatically saves your updates, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. After formatting your form title and description, you can continue customizing the rest of the form fields if needed, or simply publish the form when you're done. And that's it! You've successfully formatted the form title and header in Smartsheet to make your form clearer, more professional, and easier to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.